Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you yet another AI website which actually gives you free LLM API key. This is called as Novita AI, Novita AI. If you directly type this on Google, the very first website which comes. So this is an all-in-one website where you can call multiple AI models using a single API key. So once you land on this website, you will see that you can call almost 200 plus AI models with a single API key, and all the major AIs are available: Claude, Gemini, GPT, GLM, as you see, Quen 3. So now to get started, you click on the sign up button. So once you click the sign up button, you can get started with your Google account or GitHub account. So it just take 2 minutes to sign up. So once you sign up, you will be right here. So these are all the models that you see right here, different model APIs that you can call alongside with their rates as well, the token cost for input and output. You can click the model library to actually see all the models which are supported right here. You will see a total of 100 plus models are there. So we have GLM, Llama, we also have Kimi K2, DeepSeek, Quen 3, OpenAI, Claude as well, Minimax. So it also provides you with this playground section as well, where you can actually try out each model directly online. It has this chat prompt where you select the account, select your AI model from here. So just select your AI model and it gives you the actual name of the model. And right here, you simply type the chat. You can chat with the AI model. So just make sure that you top up after you sign up. So unfortunately, on this website, it doesn't give you payment credits once you sign up. So right here to actually top up right here, if you click on the pricing button, it exactly tells you each pricing. Go to billing section, and right here you see this option. You can add top up right here, 10 credit, $10. If you click that, you can simply add the amount and you will be redirected to Stripe where you add the credit card and then purchase some credits. So after you purchase the credits, now you come to the playground section. You select the AI model. So if you want to see more detail about this model, it will exactly tell you the provider, the context length, input output cost, everything, the base URL, the API endpoint, model ID, everything. So after you get all these details, it's really easy for you to actually call the. So now to get the API key, it's very simple. You go to account settings and right here you simply go to key management. So yeah, so if you complete this quick survey to claim $1 in free credits, so you do provide that free credit. You do need to fill out this information. Just fill out the company name, the first name, everything. I forgot to do this. So click on save. So after you just fill out these details right here. So information submitted successfully. So it actually shows you everything. This create your API key. So once you do that, you will go to key management and right here you simply have the option to add a API new key. Just give it a name and click on confirm. So after that, your API key will be shown to you. So this is your API key, simply copy to clipboard. So after that, it's really easy for you to call this So it shows you all the AI. So once you click the view code button, it actually shows you how to call this API using a call request using simple HTTP, or you can use a Python script as well. Simply replace your API key from here and just copy the script, and inside JavaScript as well if you are a JavaScript developer. So all the three languages are supported right here. It gives you the appropriate code here. So I think this is a really good website. It supports all these models in one go. You can call multiple AI models. You can see that how much models are supported right here. Simply switch to that model. It gives you everything. Click on view code and it gives you the view code button right here. And so definitely check out this Novita.ai website. It's a really good website for calling AI models. So you can see after you submit your survey, right here in the voucher section, you need to click the redeem button. Then only you will get your credit. So right here you will see. So this is a name here. You can see it's very confusing. Welcome Novita. This is a welcome code that you need to paste right here. After that, click on redeem. Invalid redeem code. We need redeem code. I don't know why it is not accepting it, but this is the way by which you can do this. You can also add your own credits as well. So definitely check this out website.